Hello guys, welcome to once again your favorite channel Quarter by Guide Education. This is Aves Krishna and I'm dealing today the chapter is bone of upper limb. We discuss whole bones of upper limb one by one in this sequence. First I am going to take the clavicle, then scapula, then humerus and radius, ulna and phalanges also as well. Okay, carpal, metacarpals. So out of 206 bones in the human, so the upper limb consists of as many as 64 bones. Each side consists of 32 bones. Okay, left and right both upper limb have consist of each side 32 and 32, both sides 64 bones. Okay, the distribution of the when you go to the dissection hall, when you go to study of the anatomy, so it will very difficult to remember. That's uh, that's why I'm here to representing by my model. If you understand the whole upper limb, then it will simple to understand how to deal. Basically, this topic is very lengthy and very hard, but if you careful study it, then it will. I'm here to just simplify for you. Okay, first this model you also say. First I'm going to discuss about the clavicle. The shoulder clavicle is also known as shoulder bone. Okay, this is clavicle. Okay, clavicle. The clavicle is a long bone. It's Latin word, small like key like. So it's supported to the shoulder so that the arm can be swing clearly away from the trunk. Okay, and the clavicle transmit the weight of the limbs of the to sternum, and the bone has the cylindrical part, soft. It have one soft, two ends, and lateral and medial two sides. Okay, the side determination is not a difficult topic, but very simple in clavicle. The side to which clavicle belong can be determined from following character. First is the lateral end is flat. Okay, here is the lateral anterior. Okay, the lateral, this is lateral end, it is flat. can you can see the lateral end is flat, and the medial end is the large. You can this large and quadrilateral. Okay, large and quadrilateral, and this shaft slightly curved. This shaft is slightly curved. You have to see this. Look, this shaft is slightly curved from here. Okay, and it is so that it's convex forward in its medial two-third and concave from the lateral one-third. Lateral one-third concave and medial two-third is convex. And the inferior surface grew laterally. Inferior surface. Okay, this is inferior surface. Inferior surface have a groove. आपको दिखा ग्रूव, ये है ग्रूव. ये ग्रूव जो है लॉन्गिट्यूडनल ग्रूव है. लॉन्गिट्यूडनल मीडियल वन थर्ड पे है ये ग्रूव. ओके, मीडियल वन थर्ड पे है. सो दिस इज इंफीरियर सरफेस एंड दिस इज सुपीरियर सरफेस. सुपीरियर सरफेस पे कोई ग्रूव नहीं है, फ्लैट है. उसके बाद हम बताएंगे क्लेविकल के बारे में. इट इज़ द ओनली बोन that have lies horizontally. Okay, and it is the subcutaneous throughout. It is the first bone to start ossify. It is most important viva question. Which is the first bone most ossified or start ossifying? This is the first bone start ossifying, and it is only long bone which ossify in a membrane. Okay, and it's also another feature. It's the only bone which has two primary ends, two primary centers, of ossification. There is two primary center of ossification. So a lot of point to understand about the clavicle. These topic is these point features is very important, which I am giving you. There is no medullary cavity formed before the ossification, and it is occasionally pierced by the middle supraclavicular nerve. Okay, it is the receive weight of upper limb via lateral 1/3 through coracocular ligament. Okay, after when I'm going to discuss about the whole, then I deal it. Okay, first you can see the center. Okay, this shaft of this bone is divided into two part, which is lateral and medial. The lateral is 1/3. Lateral is 1/3 from this to this, and medial is 2/3. And the lateral end of 1/3 is shaft is flattened. You can say this is flattened and downward, and it have a two border, anterior and posterior border. The anterior border is concave forward, and the posterior border is convex backward. And this is part of bone that have a two surface, superior and inferior surface. Superior surface is subcutaneous, and inferior surface is presenting at the elevation called conoid. This elevation is called conoid. Okay. Then I'm coming here to lateral and medial end. This is lateral and medial end. Okay. These are the main feature of scapula. The lateral. ओके, मैं फीचर्स बताता हूँ स्कैपुला के. फर्स्ट एंटीरियर में देखते हैं. ये एंटीरियर सरफेस है. एंटीरियर सरफेस से आपको क्या क्या दिखता है. ये पहला इस साइड पे इसे आपको दिखेगा एक्सटर्नल एंड. ओके, कौन से साइड पे आपको दिख रहा है. ये लेटरल साइड है. दिस इज मीडियल साइड. मीडियल साइड ना होके आप एंटीरियर साइड पे देखिए. ये है एक्सटर्नल एंड, जहाँ इसका अटैचमेंट एक्सटर्नल से होता है, स्टर्नम से. ओके, उसके बाद यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है एक्रोमियम एंड. ये है एक्रोमियन एंड. ओके, एक्रोमियम से अटैच होता है. उसके बाद पोस्टीरियर सरफेस पे आपको कुछ भी नज़र नहीं आ रहा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ये आपका जो पोस्टीरियर सरफेस है कॉन्केव है. उसके बाद ये है आपका लेटरल सरफेस. लेटरल सरफेस पे आपको एक्रोमियम फैसिड दिख रहा है, और ये आपको इस साइड दिख रहा है एक्सटर्नल एंड, जो हमने बताया था अभी थोड़ी देर पहले. उसके बाद आप दिखाता हूँ मीडियल सरफेस. ये मीडियल सरफेस है. मीडियल सरफेस में आपको एक्सटर्नल फैसिड दिखता है. लेटरल में कौन सी फैसिड दिखी थी. लेटरल में एक्रोमियम फैसिड, और मीडियल में एक्सटर्नल फैसिड. ओके, उसके बाद सुपीरियर में आपको दिखता है ये कि ये एक्रोमियम एंड जो पहले से ही दिखा था, एक्सटर्नल एंड भी दिखा था. इन्फीरियर सरफेस सब बहुत सारी चीज़ें. इन्फीरियर फिर से ये ग्रूव है, सब क्लेवियन ग्रूव, सब क्लेवियन नर्व एंड वेसल्स पास करती हैं. और ये है कोस्टल ट्यूबरोसिटी. कोस्टल ट्यूबरोसिटी के बाद ये आपको कोरोनॉइड ट्यूबरकल, एंड दिस इज ट्रेपेजॉइड लाइन. दिस इज ट्रेपेजॉइड लाइन. एक्रोमियम फैसिड you can see. So the whole of this, the center of this, okay, this clavicle. Okay, now clavicle is complete. I'm moving. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम ह्यूमरस बताएंगे, फिर स्कैपुला बताएंगे, फिर स्कैपुला के बाद रेडियस, अल्ना, और फिर अपर लिम्ब ख़त्म करेंगे विद द कार्पल मेटाकार्पल के साथ. थैंक्स अ लॉट.